Hello, social media. This is my girlfriend, Dr. Saunders. We are at the end of this wonderful workshop that she had here at the African Research Library. I want you guys to make sure you come back to the next one that she has, the Journey Back to the Garden. She has a workshop book that goes along with this journey back to the garden. We had a nice turnout, and this is some nice information for women's health, healthy living, and we want you guys to be as healthy as her and active as her in her 70s. So you got to make sure the next time she posts a date for her next workshops that you come. Anything you want to tell the people real quick?
Stay healthy and happy, and the only way you can do that is go back, take a journey back to the garden.
Amen. All right. Yeah.